Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the BackTap to open an app. So this feature is a hidden gem, so you can go ahead and use the Register module from GoodLock app, and you can set up a double tap or a triple tap on the back of your phone to open any apps or action. So you can go ahead and open up camera, maybe a flashlight, or take a screenshot. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Register. This is the module you need. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on BackTap action. Go ahead and switch this on. And now you're going to go ahead and find double tap or triple tap. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you like. Let's go ahead and customize the double tap. So here, these are all the actions you can do. So you can take a screenshot, access your Google Voice Assistant, start up a pop-up window, show notifications, back buttons, or you can go ahead and do your own by opening an app. So we'll go ahead and open an app. We'll go ahead and choose an app. So let's just say, for example, the Argos app. Now we'll go ahead and press home. And now when we go ahead and double tap at the back, and there you go. So it's fast, intuitive, and feels like your own secret shortcut. So it's super useful when you want quick access without touching your screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to BackTap to open an app on your Samsung Galaxy device.